me what father this. Father, me hey, Father, you bail out on me, Father. Father, you bail out on me. Father, this you bail out on me. On a nigga who has been real with you from 2007. Father, then. Mubisa Vanessa said, Minya accident, 6 weeks in here. I can make it just say, Mubisa Vanessa, so I fought for poor family. Mubisa Vanessa, so I fought for, and I was testing people say, oh, we need to try now, we try it. Yes, she knew I was coming to her. Maybe God wanted to make me, we are coming here, I don't know. We are no. Who for this thing, come out of 3-5 billion. Because of himself, funny is for this man. So to make about the gesture for public to think so, yeah, right? Father, I'm going to check. Hey, for this thing, accident and nipple, Moja, hey, the cat, the dentist, remember me, I'm shimming, fair father. I'm saying, Daddy, I mean, whoa, we must not for this guy. Sir, Vanessa, my man, send me money. Because, father, my baby accident. Maybe a couple, Charlie. Funny first, and your man have tough for mommy. Vanessa, everything close them, remember, bullet it and yam. Hey, before Babini, I want me bow. When you me back, hey, who did drop? One of my Mrs. CS, and here, CS near 5,000, CS near 1,008, less than 2,000. Mr. 2,000, one of my Mrs. 55 million. Vanessa, I told you, one mommy bill 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 300 million. What's the Kalani? Kasia, a Kalani Arinama, 300 million. Paracetamol at 300 million. Code 300 million. Mamma, what Vanessa? What does mean? I got to me, me both to me, look Vanessa, to get me a difference. Back to Father this. Mamma, Father this. You bail out on me. A poor Father this. Father, me I'm ready to die, Father. Me I'm ready to die. Hey, Father, you bail out on me. Father, me I'm ready to die. Do you know I don't insult Adebayo? Do you know why I don't insult Adebayo? Yes, for Adebayo, he gave me the chance, just like you, Father, too. You gave me the chance, but you, Father, gave me small chance, no, you bail out on me. But Adebayo, from 2009, I did give him problem, from 2009, I give him problem, he only unfollowed me 2020. Do the math, 11 years. Father, listen. You've known me more than the years Adebayo know me. But Adebayo has no bail out on me. You only unfollow me. You brother, Adebayo for unfollowing me, fuck you. Adebayo for unfollowing me. A friend stick to a friend, no matter what. You talk to me, I didn't hear, so what? I was going through depression, nigga. Fuck you, Adebayo. Abua. Abua is for Father Dixon. Adebayo, you are not Abua, but fuck you. Bolare. One of the foolish, useless people, Bolare. Basia. You Bolare, you know I didn't insult you, I didn't beat you because you never unfollowed me. Bolare, you never unfollowed me. Yeah, you never, that one, I love you for that, Bolare, you never unfollowed me. But you know, I work for you in Kasapa FM. I work for you, Star FM. Kasapa 1 year. Star, 1 year. Bola, you know me too well. Yet you sacked me from Kasapa. Bolare, me check. Hey, sorry, me is a girl name. Me check count. Ma check count. Bola pe. Okay, Bola so ni check. Bola utuka Bola utikono. Bola utikono. Aduni. Bola utimi share upload yourself. Bola just me. Okay, me check.